Main reason for Army Chief's visit, early restoration of peace, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Inclement weather wreaks havoc in Noni district, landslide cut off National Highway 37 at various places. And Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrak Sama diagnosed of scrub typhus, being treated in intensive care unit of Shillong Civil Hospital. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has informed that the main purpose of the visit by Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi is to restore peace in the state at the earliest. Addressing the media during a press conference held today at his secretariat, N. Biren Singh said that General Upendra Dwivedi came to Manipur along with Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief, and Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Pandekar, General Officer commanding 3 corps. The main reason for their visit is the early restoration of peace. A meeting was held with these officers along with Major General Ravroop Singh, Inspector General Assam Rifles South, yesterday at his secretariat. He further informed that the central government is taking the Manipur conflict seriously. Biren also stated that he had shared necessary documents of Manipur, including the Manipur map. There is an expectation that some positive steps may be taken after their return to Delhi. Responding to questions about the progress of the railway project, Biren said that he has informed the railway minister during his recent visit to Delhi about the necessity of the early completion of the railway project. He said that due to a landslide in the Noni area and some pending issues, the construction work was discontinued. The state government will compensate for all grievances and will make concerted efforts to complete the project.
I would like to appreciate the whole member of the Assam State Assembly, and particularly I would like to appreciate and salute the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, my colleague, Committee Vishwas Samaji, for his initiative. It is a long due demand of the Manipuris who are residing in Assam, but because majority in particular 4 districts, as already mentioned by the Honorable Chief Minister in his tweet. And today I came to know that he is traveling on the assembly, and it going to be passed, and it will be implemented in the 4th district of Assam. So I really, on behalf of the people of the state, and on behalf of the government, and from myself, I appreciate. Thanks.
Due to torrential rains for the past many days, landslide and mudslide occurred in several parts of Noni district. A massive landslide and mudslide occurred this morning between Longchum and Rangkung village along the National Highway 37 or Imphal-Jiribam road that led to the disruption of vehicular movement and caused inconveniences to the commuters. Many vehicles were stranded on both sides of the road. Clearing of the mud debris are being carried out by the road construction company with the help of excavators. Rivers in Noni district were flowing at danger levels. According to the local residents, it will take some time to restore vehicular movement along the national highway. Security forces have reported significant seizures of arms, ammunition and explosives following extensive search operation in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Manipur's hill and valley districts. The operation aimed at enhancing security and area domination have resulted in the recovery of a wide array of weaponry and ammunition. In Kaching district, security forces seized an INSAS rifle with a loaded magazine, a 9mm pistol with an empty magazine, 5 HE-36 grenade and a range of other ammunitions and tactical gas. This operation also resulted in the recovery of a BP vest and several blank rounds. In addition to the arms recoveries, security forces ensured the movement of essential items with 65 and 54 vehicles respectively, travelling along the two national highway connecting Manipur. The establishment of 105 checkpoints across various districts coupled with strict security measures led to the detention of 224 individuals for violations related to the ongoing security operations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has been diagnosed with scrub typhus and typhoid, prompting his hospitalization at Shillong Civil Hospital yesterday. The Meghalaya Chief Minister, who has been receiving treatment at home, was admitted to the hospital after experiencing a high fever and severe illness. Blood tests confirmed the presence of both diseases, leading to his transfer to the hospital for more intensive care. Senior specialists at Shillong Civil Hospital are closely monitoring his condition and have administered the necessary medications. Although the Meghalaya Chief Minister continues to experience severe symptoms, his vital signs remain stable. Due to his illness, Sangma was unable to attend the first day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on August 23rd. In his absence, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong represented the Chief Minister during the session. The situation is being closely monitored and further updates on his conditions are awaited. Tafazul Islam, the prime accused in the Ding rape case in Assam, has died due to drowning. The incident took place when the accused tried to escape from police custody by jumping into a pond. He was taken by the police to the crime scene for investigation when the accused tried to escape. Islam and two others had allegedly raped a 14-year-old girl and left her abandoned in a forest area without any clothing on her. Earlier, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma had said that justice will be served and all the perpetrators of the crime will receive fitting punishment. In a significant operation under the Civil Military Cooperation (CIMIC) initiative, the Tripura Police and the Spear Corps of the Indian Army successfully detonated 27 unexploded mortar bombs dating back to the 1971 India-Pakistan War. The controlled explosions took place on August 20 at the 3 CRPF battalion firing range. The mortar bombs, remnant of the conflict, were discovered on July 18, 2024 during excavation work at the residence of Dulal Nama. Initially, 12 bombs were unearthed by laborers digging a pond, and a subsequent search revealed an additional 15 mortar bombs. The bombs were safely neutralized and disposed of without incident. An official of Mizoram Excise and Narcotics Department has informed that nearly 2,400 people have been arrested in connection with drug smuggling and alcohol-related cases since January this year. 283 people were arrested by the department under relevant section of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 for smuggling drugs, mostly heroin, while 1,956 people were arrested under the Mizoram Liquor Prohibition MLP Act 2019 for consuming or manufacturing or selling liquor. The officials state 152 others were arrested under Mizoram Excise Act 1973, he said. The officials said that the Excise Department has seized 13.7 kilograms of heroin during the same period, and that the department also seized 38 kilograms of ganja, 5.8 kilograms of methamphetamine tablets, 17,717 liters of country-made liquor, 8,658 bottles of Indian-made foreign liquor (IMFL), 69 bottles of foreign-made liquor, and 3,999 cans of beer, among others. Now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Main reason for Army Chief's visit, early restoration of peace, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Inclement weather wreaks havoc in Noni district, landslide cut off National Highway 37 at various places. And Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma diagnosed of scrub typhus, being treated in intensive care unit of Shillong Civil Hospital. That is all we have for now. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Stay tuned as more news updates will be coming up at 8 p.m. Until then, have a good evening.